Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video, I'll be showing you how to pipe rosettes. I've got some Swiss meringue buttercream in my piping bag already, fitted with an open style nozzle. And then I'm going to start piping from the center of your rose. So you start in the middle, go around anti-clockwise, and then you stop. As you can see, it's like a nice rosette. So you just carry on piping rosettes the same way you did the first one until all your cake is covered. What you'll notice is when you finish, there's sometimes gaps between your rosettes. You can leave them or fill them. You just squeeze some of the icing into the middle parts to cover the cake, and that's it. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.